What game should we play?
Identity fraud.
She's like, since
I need to help me. This dude keeps following me. Oh my gosh, I see a human being.
What is that? Okay, this guy's making ah! 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 Wait, what just happened? Oh! 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 This guy's chasing me.
This guy.
I'm so fat. I'm dying. Ah! 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 He's still chasing me! Stop chasing me!
He's in love.
Wait, if someone waves at you in the hallway, is that a monster?
The fraud, yeah.
He's
basically.
still chasing me!
No one will ever wave at you.
Go the heck. Wait, is he gone? Okay, I think I lost him. I lost him. Let's go.
I'm resetting.
Oh my
I actually just died.
gosh. I thought I died there, man.
Walking super like straight and don't believe them. Because it's me. It's not me, I mean.
If I see myself wrong, I'll be like, poggers.
You need to die first to me. That would be pretty epic to see.
If I die to you, I'm gonna rage quit. Bro, I get jump scared easily. Alright, am I getting chased?
That's the
No, I'm
problem.
not. Oh my
I'm
god.
trying to find you.
No! Ah! 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 I'm getting chased by clone you! What the heck? Oh my god, no, please, please, no! Run straight, run straight, run straight. Don't look back.
Ah! Brother.
Ah! Again! Oh no no no! Oh crap! This is a dead end. All around me are familiar faces, worn out. No!
Well, it looks like.
Oh, he became me.
Well, we're gonna go in nightmare mode.
Bro, we are playing the Mimic. I've never played this game before. Yeah. Bro, I do not want to hear any of this music.
Okay.
What?
I'm not gonna go in like the easy mode. We're going nightmare mode.
Right.
Follow me.
Let's go nightmare. Wait. I'm not ready. Wait, it has to be 2 players. Let's do this one.
Oh, look. Come over here.
But there has to be 6 players. Oh, no.
Whatever.
I didn't see this. Oh my gosh, bro. Just looking at those things. Not a chance. Oh, go.
Me.
Hold on, we gotta. No. This guy's going in.
Here.
Come on, hurry. Please. Please don't come in. Come on. Oh crap, they're coming. He's coming!
2, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Dead.
Let's go!
I'm not like. I'm positive. I kind of play this game.
Oh my gosh. Why are we playing nothing but scary games?
Because I love scary games. I love your scary.
Recommended to play complete chapter. Alright guys, we're playing the Mimic. I've never played this game in my entire life.
Either. Actually, I have. I'm lying.
I've never played this game. Who are you? Me? Well, I'm just a YouTuber.
Mama.
Ah! I hate that. Oh my.
What happened?
It just gave me like a. Ah!
Hello.
Bro, I hate nightmare mode. This sucks.
Objective. Search for keys.
Search for keys
Search
to
for
upstairs.
it.
Ah! What the heck is that? Bell?
Oh my gosh. Don't let it chase you.
Oh my gosh, bro. I just spawned. Are you gone? Is that mythical creature gone?
Don't go in the middle. Maybe you'll be fine. I'm just assuming.
Oh my gosh, I see it again. Help!
Oh my gosh.
Me!
Chasing you. Bye.
Ah!
Bye.
Ah! No! No! Oh! Do the Matrix time, baby! Oh, where is it? Ah! Where's the stairs? I'm at the stairs. Is this thing following me? No.
Ah!
Ah! Ah!
No!
Ah!
No!
Wait, I just opened my windows.
No! Let me in.
Are we good, fam? Alright, we're good. We have to look for the keys. They're all
I'm not dying.
Gotta get a key.
My
Come
cat
on.
with 9
Come on.
lives. Who
Where'd you go?
knew
Come
that?
on. Come
Hey,
on.
I'm
What's the point
searching
of the
for a
video?
key. I'm looking if there's any key out here, because you live on the side of the grass.
I'm going in. Come on.
Yeah, you're my bait.
Alright, I'm gonna be sacrificed if I get chased. If I get jump scared, bro, I'm ending the actual video.
You're a
Alright.
coward!
Wait, it's on the stairs. Come
Alright,
here.
I'm looking for a key.
No, it's on the stairs. It's on the stairs.
What about over here? What about
Oh!
over here? It's like...
Oh! Okay.
Run!
Is he climbing the stairs? No, we're good. We're good. Just look for the key.
Can you open the door?
You gotta get the... Ah! Does he climb stairs? Oh, it does climb stairs! Oh! Ah! Run. It's right behind you.
Veronica. Oh my gosh, I found a key. I found a key.
Gotta get the key. Is that a
Get
monster?
the key.
Gotta
I got
get
the key,
gotta
key,
get the key.
key. Come on, come on, come on. Follow me. I don't want to spend another time,
I
another
just wanna
minute,
see you
another
die
hour with that thing. Open the door. I never leave
You need a
before this
lever.
door. Hurry up. Open the door. I will sue you.
Wait, what do
If
we
you
do?
made me just
Oh,
find
we're gonna
the
have to go
door.
back downstairs. We're gonna take a run for it. Ah!
Hi, Felicia. Oh,
Bro,
no, no.
bro.
Open the door.
Oh my god!
Ah, no!
No, I don't think it can it come up here?
For this video will be screen. Come up here?
No.
Is it fit us?
It can't pass that red
No
line.
way. Dummy
Where is
face.
Ah!
Be my bait. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it's getting closer.
closer.
Haha, turd can't pass this red line. Haha. Ah!
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
I can't. Wait, let's pet. Okay, please.
Wait, what
I
do we
need
do?
to open this
Wait.
door.
What do we do next then? After we find the key. Gotta get
Find
the
the
key. Gotta find the key.
What about this? I never leave. I need to find the lever.
Alright.
Oh, we need to find the
I'm
lever.
going towards
Oh,
it.
let's go back to the garden.
Let's go. Let's go, Belle. Me and you.
Oh, I think the lever's over here in the
Gotta get the
garden.
key. Oh, never mind. Do not get the key. The thing about this thing, you cannot pass this red line. Ah! Ah! They can! Holy crap! Run! Ah!
Oh my god! It's behind you! It went back. It went back. It went
Haha,
back.
turd nugget.
Ah, you coward,
Turd.
you poopy head.
Turd. You're a big turd. The size of Mars. Is it gone? Yeah, it's gone.
You need a lever.
Alright,
You need to look for a lever, Luke. Bye.
I'm going towards it.
I found the key. Find the lever, because I'm...
Oh, it's chasing me. Gotta get the key. Wait, Belle, there's a door over here. Oh, the
Is
key.
it
It needs a
unlocked?
key. Belle, come down here.
Okay, but as long as you become
I'm
my
getting chased.
sacrifice.
I'm getting chased. Come over here. Come down. Hurry. Oh my god, bro. It's chasing me. Oh my god. It's stuck.
Hurry!
Hurry.
Oh my gosh!
Alright,
Run,
we're gonna wait.
run,
We're gonna wait
run.
for it. We're gonna wait like 30 seconds, and then it's gonna go. Is it gone? Okay, never mind. Just go. Just get a little bit far.
It's there.
Ah, yeah.
You passed the red line,
Alright,
so
stand right
we're
here
dead.
for like 30
The
seconds.
only protection we have is this fire. Let's throw it at it.
Alright, I think we can go now.
I'm-
Okay, you're gonna follow me. Let me go first. Alright, follow me.
Okay, we need to find a lever, and I'm a coward.
Alright, I know where the lever is. You just gotta follow me, okay?
Okay, I'm following you. I trust you, and if I die, I will murder you.
Alright, hurry! Run!
Hurry! Run!
Hurry, over here! Get the unlock it! Pull the key out.
Unlock!
Oh
Oh my gosh!
Are you alive?
Yeah!
Alright, I'm gonna check it. Bro, freak this kid.